in this course, User Experience Design in Business, I'm also going to talk about how the user experience designer's job is not necessarily to convince other stakeholders of why they should be doing something and the fact that they have all the information. No, I was at a conference last week where a good friend of mine who's a practitioner in the field, who's been doing this way longer than I have, and he mentioned something that was very, very relevant and something that I'll be touching on, and that is that sometimes user experience designers, they come into the business or they do work for clients and they think that they're the center of all the different facets of the work or the parts of the business, and that everybody should listen to them because they're getting all the information. And the reality is that you're not the center of all the information. You are able to get access to the information because you now have tools that is going to help you to do so. So as a user experience designer within an organization or as a self-employed practitioner, your job really is to collect information from all different sources. That's internal stakeholders, that's the users, that's anywhere that there is relevant information. Your job is to get that information and then be able to synthesize it in a way that makes sense to all those people who are part of the decision making, right? And so that's one of sort of the benefits again of doing this work is that yes, you do have access to all this information. You can translate it into a bunch of different things, but the sort of secret sauce to it is how can you distill it into something that's going to be really simplified and really done well for the business, for the users, and those who are all involved.